Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Quick unboxing for you today. A new Pagani Design. Now this is a watch I've had an order for a little while. A bit of a story behind it. The first watch never made it, and so this is the replacement. It finally got here, so I've been waiting for a little while. It's the PD-1703. It's the homage to the IWC. Now you'll probably recognise it as soon as I get it out. Oh, nicely wrapped actually. Choose the lights. I am under artificial light today. Slide this out, and here we go. And I went for this particular one, the teal version. It's probably the most well-known one on this nice nylon strap. Now they do also do a couple of other colours in this. They do a particularly nice bronze and blue, and it was kind of a toss-up between that one and this one, to be honest. Really nice. First impressions, again, Pagani Design, you know what you're going to get with this. Now it's quite a big watch, 42mm I think it is. So I've got an 8-inch wrist, so it'll be fine on my wrist, but others might struggle with it. Sapphire crystal. As I say, they do that lovely bronze and blue one as well, which I'll put up now, and there's also a silver dial version as well. But I went for this one, as I say. I hope the strap's going to be long enough. That's the one worry I do have, but we'll check in a second. So as you can see, chrono, really nice teal colour on the back. Oh, PD-1703 Pagani Design. Oh, a nice aeroplane. There you go. I don't know if the IWC has that or not. Little sticker on there. There's nothing else really on this watch. Let's see if I can just get that blue off. Always a pain to get out if it's a signed crown, which it is. It'll come off quite well. Right. Yeah, really like that. Let's push it in and... Oh, there we go. The subdial at the 6 is the seconds hand. Oh, nice press on there, and there we go. You'll see that hand go in. And that's going to be up to 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, really nice. Like it. Not a thick watch, I think about 12mm. Obviously a quartz. Right, moment of truth, I suppose, if it's going to fit on my wrist or not. Yeah, well, I'm wearing the Addy's Dive homage to the Yachtmaster. Really good watch for the price. Put a link to that in the corner. Let's take this off and see if this fits. Now, as I say, I have been looking forward to this one. It did. The first watch didn't make it, unfortunately. Got returned back to the Pagani Design store. Oh no. And there you go. It's not going to fit my wrist. Strap is too short for an 8-inch wrist. In fact, it's quite short. So if you've got a larger wrist, be careful if you go with this one, because it's not going to fit. I can't remember what the strap is. I think it's 20mm. So I'm going to have to see what straps I've got. I'm pretty sure I've got a 20mm NATO knocking around. It's a real shame because I'm not going to get anything with that teal on the black. That's a real shame, that is. That's kind of what I wanted it for, but never mind. I'll dig out all my straps and see what I can get it on for the review. So thanks to everybody who's liked and subscribed and commented, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.